Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to log into our Auckland University account. So let's get started. So if you want to log into your Auckland University account, what you can do is just open up a browser. After opening up a browser, in search bar you can search for Login Auckland University. After searching for that option, you will come up to this page where you can find this first option which says the University of Auckland. So just tap on that option. After tapping on that option, it will take you to the Auckland University's website, and over here if you tap on sign in, which is on the top right corner of your screen, you will come up to the sign in page of Auckland University. Over here you can enter your email address or username. So just enter your email address or username in the first blank. So after entering your email address or username, you can enter your password. So after entering your password, just tap on sign in, and after tapping on sign in, you'll successfully sign into your account. So if you have forgotten your password, you can easily reset or recover your password by tapping on I have forgotten my password. So just create a new password and then come back to this page and then enter the password that you have created. After entering the password that you have created, just tap on sign in, and after tapping on sign in, you will successfully sign into your Auckland University account. So there are also some other options that you can use to log into your account. You can use LinkedIn, Facebook and Google if you would like to log into your account. And that's it guys, this is how to log into your Auckland University account. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.